Hey guys, welcome to my channel Viceman, and today I will show you how to make this kind of timetable. So in this video I will show you how to make a timetable, kind of a landscape. So on a A4 paper, how can we make a landscape timetable? So in this video we will see that, and it's very easy, and I will use Microsoft Word to make this timetable in a landscape format. Hi, so as I said, we have to make this kind of timetable in a landscape mode. So as you can see, what I have a paper in Word which is on having a orientation of landscape in a landscape orientation, and I have a second page which is the general one, the portrait one, right? So how can we do that? So let's do this thing. I will open a new file, new Word file. So if you open a new Word file, you will see that you have this portrait mode of your paper. So what you need to do, first of all, you have to click where you want to make this timetable, right? So if you want to make on the first page, you can click on that. So this cursor is blinking. Now go to layout and click on these breaks and click on this next page, right? But if you don't want any if you want to make this is on only one page, only single page, right? If you don't want this timetable on n number of pages, so if I want to make this timetable only on a single page, what I will do, I will click on orientation, make it landscape, right? So I have done that. Now I got the paper in landscape mode. Now you go to insert, go to table, and as per your convenience you can insert the number of rows and columns, right? So I have 10 columns and 9 rows. So I have 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then I can add one more, right? So I have now 9 rows and sorry, I have 10 columns and 9 rows, but as you can see it is not equally distributed. So what first of all you can do, click on that. Before distributing equally, what I can do, I can make this over here. So select the table and move it over this edge. The same I can do for this thing, the next edge. Same I can do for this part, and this is over here, right? It is already there. I can move this margin in the end. Now what I can do, I can click on this table. So click on this table, it has to be highlighted. Go to layout and click on distribute rows and distribute columns, right? Okay, so now after making it distribute columns and rows, what you need to do, you just need to make this width of column, sorry, the height of column larger, right? Like this. So now as you can see, now you have this entire timetable like this one, which I already have. So it's very easy, you just need to follow my steps. First you need to go for landscape mode, right? Insert the table, and then you can go for distribute rows, distribute columns, and make the height of while selecting the table you can increase the height, right? And that will make you a timetable, a very nice timetable. And now what you can do, I will suggest you, if you want to use this center line alignment, then you can use that, so that all the text will be in the center and you can get this kind of timetable. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wise Man. Thank you.